Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing some hairstyles for greasy hair. My hair is greasy at the moment, so I thought, hey, what can I do? So I have a few tips and tricks along the way that I want to share with you. And yeah, before we get started, I just also want to say thank you. My last video got a little bit of attention, and I'm very grateful. I know I've got a bunch of new subscribers and I'm so happy that you are here. And yeah, I hope I'm able to offer you something, and I hope you enjoy my videos and find them useful. And if there's anything else that you would like to see from me, please leave something in the comments below. I will be linking all the products that I use in the description, and yeah, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now and we can start. So I thought I would do the greasy hair looks because my hair's greasy, and I thought, hey, what would I normally do and how can I share that with you guys? So I normally go in with some dry shampoo, and this one is the Batiste blush. So I normally cover like the top of my head, so I just like shake this, lift the hair, spray, and then just give myself a bit of a head massage. One thing that I absolutely love about dry shampoo is the volume that it gives my hair when it's soaking up the oil. Because as it's soaking up the oil, it also creates some grit at the root and just lifts your roots up a little bit. And obviously when you're massaging, if you push it like this, it helps the hair to stay up a bit. So I usually just go around the crown area. I only ever do like the bottom areas of my head if my hair's like really greasy. But yeah, I'm going to take my glasses off because then this is going to get all over it. So just get that all in there. I'll do it on this side. We want to aim it at the root. Okay, there we go. So after you got your dry shampoo in, it's completely up to you what sort of styles you want to do. I find that some of the styles that I sort of lean towards are styles that will just keep my hair going for a little bit longer if I don't want to wash the next day. I only wash my hair once a week, so I try and elongate my hair greasiness, I guess, until it's time to wash my hair. And dry shampoo is obviously a great way of doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is my everyday bun, and this is usually my go-to every single day. And naturally, if your hair is tied up, there's less space for dirt and grease and everything else to get into it. So this is like my everyday bun, and I want to try and show like a couple of variations or a few variations of how you can do this sort of bun. My number one tip for any bun is to align your bun with your jaw. So if you start your chin and you draw a line and you go diagonal, and then you go to the top of your head. So for example, just right here, that is where your bun should sit. And I guarantee you that your bun will look good every single time, no matter what type of bun it is. So I'm going to show you how I do my everyday bun. So I gather up my hair from underneath and everywhere. So make sure it's all in there. You can either keep it tight or you can loosen it up. And then what I usually do is I twist the hair and I keep my finger here as an anchor, and then grab, and keeping my finger as an anchor the whole time, and then twisting the hair around. Then once it's all around, I grab my hair tie, and you can either just snap it at the bottom, but I like to sometimes find the dip here and just leave it there, and it holds really, really well. So if I draw the line, my bun sits exactly at that point that is aligned to my jaw. And that is how I do my everyday bun. You can loosen this up, so you can either pull it apart, you can make it as tight as you want. You can twist the hair even more. You can do so many different variations of this just one bun. So this is my everyday bun, and if I go like this, it stays in place. And if you want to make it looser around here, you just pull on the hair, and it just gives you a bit more of a looser and fuller look. So that is the hair bun. And if it does come out of place, you just go in with a bobby pin and secure it at the scalp. Okay, so then the next look, we will need some of these elastic bands. Okay, so we can you can do this in many ways. You can either go for a braid, or you can go for again, if you want to keep the hair up and away from your face, then we can go along with the same technique of using your jaw to align it to the top point of your hair, tie a ponytail, and then we can go in and do a braid, and you can do any sort of braid that you like. I'm just going to do a normal 3-strand braid. So just separate into 3 equal pieces. Okay. And just do a normal braid all the way down. I will link here my braiding video if you want to learn to do other braids. And then just grab your band and tie it at the end. So you can either tighten a little bit at the top and leave it as a cute little braided ponytail like this, and it stays in place. It's perfect for when you're working out because it doesn't go everywhere, and yeah, it's another cute one. Okay, so then from this you can also create this into a bun. So again, using the hair tie here as your anchor, you just wrap it around and then tuck this end underneath the rest of the hair, and then you grab a bobby pin. And you don't have to open the bobby pin, you just slide it closed so it captures the hair tightly. And if you feel like the bun is loose in any place, you can go in with your bobby pin and put it into place, and you got yourself another cute little bun. And if you do something like a fishtail, or you do something that's got like, you can split it into your ponytail into 2 braids and then wrap those around together and just create something really dainty and nice. So even when you have a bit of a grease head, you can still feel very nice about yourself. So I really like this bun. It's really, really secure. So the ultimate test for a secure updo or bun or hairstyle is to give it a shake test. So you just shake yourself around and see if it stays, and if it stays, you're good to go. So this is my cute little braided bun. So after this bun, my next style is going to be something that goes a little something like this. So let's take it out. I'm going to get out a curler and we will take the hair down, but the reason why I like doing curls is because I find that whenever I curl my hair, especially even if it's before it gets greasy, for some reason my hair seems to like last longer with the curls. I'm not sure what the scientific reason behind that is, but it does work for me. And I have seen this tutorial around a few accounts, and I cannot remember the life of me some of the names of the people, but there is someone on Instagram called Jinnel, and I saw her IGTV on this look, and I thought I've always wanted to try this out. So I will link her original video in my description. But I thought, hey, this is like the perfect look. If one, you don't have time to curl your hair, like layer by layer. Two, we'll have another 2-in-1 look out of this, because you can keep it up in a ponytail and just have a really nice ponytail, or you can take it down and your hair will always be like ready to go. So I think it's like the perfect like 2-in-1 way of curling your hair. And from what I've seen and what I've read about doing this technique is that it's a proper time saver. So let's try it out. You don't have to use hairspray before you curl your hair. You can if you feel like it's gonna help it stay, because I know for some people like curls don't stay very easily in their hair. So today I'm going to use a Tresemme hairspray, and it's from the Runway collection, and this one is called Make Waves. So literally just need to get some hair, lightly spray it, make sure the hairspray is throughout the hair, so when you do curl it, it's covered in product. And then just, you can either use a wand or you can use a normal curler. I am using my Bombay 5-in-1 wand. So then, there we go. Gotta make my hair thinner. The good thing I find about using the wand like this on top of a ponytail is that you don't have to worry about it touching your scalp. So there's a lovely wave. So just want to move around the rest of the ponytail now. And just to quickly show you, this is the Bombay 5-in-1 wand. I've seen some people literally like separate their hair into 4 pieces and then they have like a whole head of hair curled. My hair is too thick for me to just separate it into 4 pieces. Not gonna lie guys, I'm loving it so far, because usually I would have done only the bottom layer of my hair by now, whereas I'm nearly done the whole head. I've only had to split my hair so far, I think it's about 5 or 6 pieces, and usually it's like quadruple that. So I am a massive fan right now. Let's see how it turns out when I take it down. They're all curled. I'm gonna leave them like this to cool down. But you have like this gorgeous ponytail. Like, this is actually so lovely, of like curly hair. It's like something different that you wouldn't usually have, as in like if you don't have curly hair anyway, then it's something different. But like for me, like I never have my ponytail like a curly ponytail. I'm like a massive, I feel like I'm overreacting here, but I'm genuinely such a massive fan of this because it takes me so long to curl my hair. Whereas this has been about 8 strands and all the hair is curled. And I just think it looks like such a nice little ponytail. It's like you feel nice when you go out when you look like that, you know? So I give this a thumbs up. And we're gonna go on to another look in a minute. But yeah, look at that. If you want to add more volume to your ponytail, you can always go in with a comb like this and back comb the curls from like underneath and just like give yourself more of a voluminous ponytail, just like that. But you don't always need to do that. Sometimes you just need to keep it simple like that. Okay, so now we're going to take the hair down and see how it looks. And the hair should have also cooled by now, so yeah, it's not so hot anymore. So that also means it helps to set the curls in for a bit longer. So let's see how this looks. Oh wow, I am so impressed. It's like all of my hair is curled. Oh, look at that. And they're nice, gorgeous waves. Oh, I'm so impressed with this. No joke, no joke. How gorgeous does that look? I am so happy with this. I am waving. Even if it's not like super duper curly, it's just like, I did that in like 5 minutes. You can tell I'm so happy with this. Oh, I think I need to do this one a bit more often. I am well happy with how this has turned out. It takes me, like, I've mentioned it 5 times probably during this video, but I am super, super impressed. So there's a tip and trick for you that will make your hair look lovely in under 5 minutes. Okay, so over my excitement, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has been useful for you. Please let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see. I know one of the requests over on my social media was for everyday styles, and I believe that even if you don't have greasy hair, these are perfect everyday styles as well. They're simple, but they look so beautiful. And if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now. And I will be linking everything below, including my social media. So if you do want to get in contact with me, you can send me a message over there. And you can also leave something here. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel and giving me your time, and I will see you next week.